Jai Shri Ram, happy Ram Navami everyone. Here are few things that we should all learn from Shri Ram. First is devotion towards family. He remained committed to his parents' wish and chose exile over throne. Second is loyalty in love. He remained loyal to Mata Sita even when things were hard. That is pure love, unconditional love. Third is sacrifices for the throne, the family, whatever sacrifices he made for the people. Third, leadership and compassion. He was a very wise leader when it comes to being a king. He treated people with empathy, justice, and more kindness. Then, the most important thing that we learn from Shri Ram is to remain calm even after tough situation. We can all learn these things and move forward.